Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft says that 2026 is the year of AI PCs. Now, when I heard that, one of the first things that I thought is, didn't I hear that exact same phrase a year ago where 2025 was the year of the AI PC? I'm questioning myself if maybe I'm wrong, but I have the impression I heard that in 2025. So that's interesting. One thing for sure is that the latest numbers show that 1/3 of all the PCs sold are Copilot plus AI or AI capable. And that number is apparently growing pretty fast. So, of course, the more people will be looking at PCs in stores that focus on AI, the more people will buy AI PCs because that's what we have in, just different stores and what manufacturers maybe are pushing. But, yeah, it's kind of an interesting thing. I have the impression that I heard that last year, too, for 2025. Which didn't really, there was a lot of AI talk, but didn't really, go there. So we'll see. We'll try to find, as the year goes by, more statistics of what are the percentages of, AI or Copilot plus PC machines sold versus standard, x64 machines that we all have. And, there will be, of course, the new players with NVIDIA and AMD with their own AI capable chips. So I guess it is definitely the future. So it in the next year or two, most PCs sold will be AI capable PCs. That's pretty much it. And that is why when people ask me, well, if I would want to be safe and buy a PC that would be capable of Windows 12 or whatever Windows is coming up at some point, I think it's safe to say that I would go for a AI capable PC. I think those will be the ones compatible with Windows 12. And depends how Microsoft wants to actually position Windows 12 within the market for Windows users. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.